Good morning, students. Last time we had started prepositions. Prepositions का एक explanation video मैंने आपको भेजा था. Now we shall do it further from your textbook. उसमें सब type के prepositions explain करे थे. So here I'll just go through roughly what is the definition of prepositions. Please underline this. मैं बोलती जाऊँगी और आप underline करके करते जाना. These points you need to write down in your notebook. So I will quickly explain and move on to the exercises further. So prepositions. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and the say and some other word in a sentence. The word preposition means placing before. So a preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. The other word can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. Look at the following sentences. Who bought that painting on the wall? Somebody is knocking at the door. The teacher was angry with Chetan. These people voted against me. Right? So here all the highlighted words on, with, at and against are all prepositions. So further let us read. In these sentences the words on, at, with and against have been used as prepositions. In sentence 1, on shows the relation between the wall and the painting. In sentence 2, at shows the relation between the door and is knocking, that is verb. In sentence 3, with shows the relation between Chetan and angry, that is an adjective. And in sentence 4, against shows the relation between me, the pronoun, and voted, the verb. Different prepositions show different relations. For example, under the tree, near the tree, behind the tree, over the tree suggest different relations with the tree. So we should be careful in the use of prepositions, right? We should be careful in the use of prepositions because they show a specific relation between two given nouns, right? So जहाँ पे जो possible है, जो use कर सकते हैं, उसको ही करना चाहिए. That is kinds of prepositions. Prepositions can be classified in various ways. The simple way is to describe them as prepositions of time, place and movement. Prepositions of time: at, on, in, for, till, under, before, after, during, by, at 7 in the evening, by Saturday, during winters. Prepositions of place: at, on, in, between, among, below, above, under, over, behind, in front of, at the bus stop, on the table, behind our house, under the pillow, right? Prepositions of direction and movement, जो direction and movement दिखाते हैं: into, out of, to, towards, along, across, under, over, through. Fly into or out of the cage, go to, towards the station, swim across the river. All this show the relation of direction and movement. Now object of the preposition. Object मतलब जो preposition का relation जिस noun के साथ होता है, the noun or pronoun before which a preposition is placed is called the object of the preposition. Look at these phrases: in the park, for me. In phrase 1, the park is the object of the preposition in. In phrase 2, me is the object of the preposition from, right? Now we are moving to the exercise. Exercise 1. Let us do it. So first exercise, pick out the prepositions and name their object, right? So prepositions here: we stay near the Patel Nagar metro station, right? Now here near is the preposition, then which shows the relation between we and Patel Nagar metro station, right? Then the vehicle was parked far from the house. So here from, हाउस एंड व्हीकल के बीच का रिलेशन दिखा रहा है, तो फ्रॉम इज द preposition. Then They own a house in the village. So in is the preposition. Show these reports to the doctor. To is the preposition. Don't lean against the wall. Against is the preposition. I'm quite satisfied with her. With is the preposition. Now 7, 8, 9 and 10 you will do in homework, and I am just focusing it on the answer key so that you get a better idea of the answers and you do not make a mistake. So here it is, exercise 1. I'll just focus it for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can pause the video and see the answers if you want. So then now moving on to the next topic, that is group prepositions. Group may be prepositions, या word, group of words is also used as a preposition, so that we shall do it. In addition to single word prepositions like on, over, after, etc., some groups of words can also function as prepositions. Some important group prepositions are given below. Group prepositions: in front of, in addition to, on behalf of, in case of, in spite of, because of, instead of, by means of, on account of, by virtue of, in favor of, with reference to, for the sake of, with regards to, as a result of, in front of the principal's office, with reference to your application, with reference to, then in front of, all these are group prepositions because they are used as phrases. मतलब group of words होते हैं, individual नहीं use होते हैं, that is why. So now moving on to exercise 2, fill in the blanks with suitable group prepositions. There is a huge banyan tree dash our house. Near our house or behind our house use कर सकते हो आप यहाँ पर. Right, it is possible that at times there can be more than one type of prepositions which is being used. Right, in front of our house is far more better because यहाँ पे हमको group prepositions use करना है. Right, so in front of my house I welcome all the parents dash the staff and students of the school. On behalf of मतलब स्कूल के स्टाफ के behalf पे. Call us at this number dash any emergency, in case of any emergency. Then he could not win the election dash a strong support from the youth. In spite of a strong support from the youth. Now 5 and 6, these are the given prepositions. आपको यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, वही use करना है उधर, right? So I'm just focusing it on the answer key. Now 5 and 6 you do it in the homework. You can check the answers if you want so that you do not make any mistakes. I'll just focus it for 2-3 seconds, and then further you can pause the video and do it. Now moving on to position of prepositions. Prepositions का position क्या होना चाहिए sentence में? Prepositions are usually placed before a noun or a pronoun, but note the following exceptions. That is, the preposition comes at the end when its object is a question word. What are you thinking of? For example, question word हमारा object है preposition का, right? So it comes in the end. Who was the poem written by? So by comes, or by and of here are prepositions which are put at the end of the sentence. The preposition comes at the end of the clause beginning with that. In some cases that may be implied. This is the book that I was referring to. This is the book I was referring to, right? That is implied. Okay. So moving on to exercise 3, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. What are you looking for? Right? For comes at the end. Then next is, which students were you referring to? Then who were they complaining about or for? Right? About या for दोनों use कर सकते हो, या of भी use कर सकते हो. Who were they complaining of? Then 4 and 5 you will do it in the homework. I'm just focusing it on the answer key once again so that you can have a look at it and do not make a mistake while writing the answers for your grammar sentences. Now moving on further, The last part, that is adverb, prepositions and adverbs. उन दोनों का relation कैसे establish होता है? The same word may be used as a preposition or an adverb. For example, the balloon went up. Here it is adverb. The ant crawled up the wall. This is a preposition. The king soon dozed off. Here it is adverb. And the book fell off the table. Here it is an preposition. If a word is used as a preposition, it must be placed before a noun or a pronoun. Say whether the underlined words have been used as a preposition or an adverb. For oral practice, now come near. Right? Here it is used as an adverb or a preposition that you have to trace out. So here come near is preposition. Then next one, sit near the window. Here it is also preposition. Then the rider fell off the horse. Here it is an adverb, or off is adverb. Soon the lights went off. Then here it is also adverb again. He is looking up. That is preposition. And the boy slowly climbed up the hill. It is also preposition. Now next lesson is correct use of prepositions that we are skipping as of now. If time persists, अगर last में हमारे पास time रहेगा तो we will come back to this lesson and we will do it. But as of now we are omitting it. And next we shall move on to conjunctions. Now conjunctions is quite a big lesson. Conjunctions is also a smaller lesson, so we shall start it next time. Then comes punctuations, interjunction. So that we shall do it next time. We stop here today now. Write all the points that I have explained you in the lesson into your notebook and the exercises as instructed.